what's up?
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
Hey guys, how you guys doing? Hope everyone's good. So today I'm just gonna make my car lowered, and I got the Eibach Pro Kit. So yeah, so I'm gonna show you the before and after. So right here we got probably like 4 finger gap here. So I'm trying to lower that down probably like into 1 or 2. Okay, I'm gonna show you at the back. Let's go. Alright, so the back, same thing, 4 gap. So I'm just gonna make it probably like lowered to 1 and then show you the result. Trying to make it aggressive and look good. What I did to the car was like just little touches, little stickers right here, number 8 Kobe right there, see that? And then I changed the wheels to 18-inch, made it black, and did the red calipers. The side made it orange LED, and the fog lights made it yellow. And then right here, sun strip right there. And then at the back I just got the duct tape, duct spoiler, whatever you call this. I made it white. I bought it black, but I made it white. And yeah, I did the resonator exhaust and this exhaust pipe right there. Yeah, pretty much that's it. And I've been wanting to like lower the car since probably like since I bought the car. Yeah, so dream come true. Actually wanted to like, you know, make it lower, make it more aggressive. Yeah, that's it. I'll see you when it's gonna be lowered. So there you go, guys. The car is finally lowered. Feels nice. And yeah, let's go and see. Car is so low. Before it used to be 4 fingers gap. I can't even fit my finger now. And like I think it's only like 2 finger gap at the front, and then at the back. So low. Oh my gosh. 4 used to be 4 gaps. Now. Yep. It's only 2.
Now just 2.
Oh my days. As you can see, guys, the car is sitting really low right now. I got the Pro Kit, so it lowers the car down by 1 inch to 1.5 inch. The front is 1.5 inch drop, and the back is an inch drop, I think. Or the other way around, but the front seems lower than the back.
In terms of our experience as a passenger princess, parang mas stable yung car niya, and hindi na siya ganong umaalog, especially sa mga humps. Yeah, definitely more stable. Like, I don't shake too much and gumagano'n.
Car feels stiff as well.
Matigas daw. Better handling. Lalo na pag nagta-turn siya actually. Seems more controlled.
You drive the car, you can tell the difference. You can feel the car is on the ground. It's more handy. Finally, this is what I've been wanting to do. Lower the car just by 1 inch. And yeah, here it is. Oh my god. Feels good. She feels good.
No! No! No!
Oh my god.
I am shocked. Did you see that? Ganyan na lang, parang 1 centimeters. Oh my gosh. Kala ko tatama sa labag. Oh my god. You should see it. Watch the video. Oh no, but it was so close.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. Okay, we'll just pay the parking.